Imagine having kitchen gadgets that can cut your cooking time in half. Sounds amazing, right? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best Amazon kitchen gadgets that thousands of people are buying every month. Some of these products have over 60,000 purchases in just 1 month, and they have amazing customer reviews. Make sure you watch until the end, because the number 1 gadget on this list might completely change the way you cook. At number 5 on our list, we have the Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool. If you cook at home regularly, you probably know how time-consuming it can be to shred chicken manually with forks. This is where this amazing kitchen gadget becomes extremely helpful. The Chicken Shredder tool is designed to shred chicken, pork, or beef within seconds. Inside the shredder, there are specially designed plastic teeth structures that grab the meat and shred it evenly as you twist the lid. All you need to do is place cooked chicken into the container, close the lid, and twist it a few times. In just seconds, you'll have perfectly shredded meat ready for tacos, salads, sandwiches, or barbecue dishes. Another great feature of this product is its strong anti-slip base, which keeps the tool stable on your kitchen counter while using it. It also comes with a transparent lid, so you can easily see the shredding progress without opening the container. The shredder is made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade material, making it completely safe for kitchen use. Cleaning is also very easy because the tool is dishwasher safe, and it even comes with a small cleaning brush. According to Amazon data, this product has been purchased by over 10,000 people in the past month on Amazon and has an impressive 4.7-star rating with more than 21,000 reviews. For barbecue lovers, home cooks, and fitness enthusiasts who prepare shredded chicken meals, this gadget can be a huge time saver. At number 4, we have the Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. Air fryers have become one of the most popular kitchen appliances in recent years because they allow people to cook crispy and delicious food with much less oil. This Cosori model is particularly popular because of its Turbo Blaze technology. It uses a powerful fan that spins at 3,600 RPM, circulating hot air around the food to cook it evenly and quickly. This means your fries, chicken wings, or vegetables come out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The air fryer includes 9 different cooking functions, such as air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, reheating food, drying food, proofing dough, and more. It also features precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full flexibility for different types of recipes. Another highlight is the 6-quart square cooking basket, which is large enough to prepare meals for the entire family while still saving counter space. The basket is coated with premium ceramic non-stick coating, making it durable and easy to clean. In fact, the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is very simple. This air fryer has been purchased by more than 20,000 people in the past month on Amazon and has an impressive 4.8-star rating, making it one of the top kitchen appliances available today. At number 3, we have the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. If you want a single appliance that can perform multiple cooking tasks, the Instant Pot is an excellent choice. This smart cooker combines 10 different cooking functions in one device. You can use it for pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, sous vide cooking, sterilizing, and even food warming. Essentially, it replaces several kitchen appliances and saves both space and time. One of the biggest advantages of the Instant Pot is its speed. Compared to traditional cooking methods, it can cook food up to 70% faster, which is perfect for busy families. The 8-quart capacity makes it ideal for preparing meals for large families or for meal prep. The device also features 28 customizable smart programs, allowing you to cook many different recipes with just one button. Safety is another important feature. The Instant Pot includes multiple safety mechanisms, such as overheat protection and a secure locking lid. This product has been purchased by over 5,000 customers in the past month and has thousands of positive reviews from satisfied users. At number 2 on our list is the Mueller Pro Vegetable Chopper. Preparing vegetables can take a lot of time, especially when you need to chop onions, tomatoes, peppers, or other ingredients for a meal. This versatile kitchen gadget is designed to make food preparation much faster and easier. The Mueller chopper includes 8 interchangeable blades that allow you to slice, dice, julienne, grate, and shred vegetables quickly. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and precise cutting performance. Another useful feature is the built-in food container, which collects the chopped vegetables directly inside the box. This helps keep your kitchen counter clean and organized. It also includes a food holder, which helps keep smaller fruits and vegetables stable while cutting, improving safety and convenience. For people with busy lifestyles who still want to cook healthy meals at home, this gadget can save a significant amount of time. The Mueller Pro Chopper has been purchased by more than 10,000 customers in the past month and has tens of thousands of positive reviews on Amazon. And finally, at number 1, we have the Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer. When cooking meat, one of the biggest challenges is knowing when the food is perfectly cooked. This digital thermometer solves that problem instantly. It features advanced technology that can measure the internal temperature of food in just 1 to 2 seconds, providing extremely accurate readings. This makes it perfect for barbecue grilling, oven cooking, baking, deep frying, air fryer cooking, and even candy making. The other feature is its water-resistant design, which allows you to wash it safely under running water. Because of its reliability and convenience, this thermometer has become a favorite among both home cooks and professional chefs. In fact, this product has been purchased by more than 60,000 people in the past month alone and has an incredible 4.8-star rating, making it one of the most popular kitchen gadgets on Amazon today. So, those were the top 5 best Amazon kitchen gadgets that can make your cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you want to check out any of these products, the Amazon links are in the description below. Let me know in the comments which gadget you like the most. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos about the best Amazon products and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.